Oh, it's going wrong again, you see, as you can tell. It's turning it too.
Ja, weiter. Ich habe die Bremse und jetzt lassen. Langsam loslassen, langsam loslassen.
Na, bia. Pada daur na dia, awas daur dia tu bia, noli. Bia daur nam khadashi. Rohat daur bidi. Mana rohat bia. Passport. Oh. Kam digan passport. Kam jod na. Bas, biain al pesh. Hello. Okay, today this is Faraidun. Faraidun is taking his first driving lessons today. So I'm going with him to see how he's driving and how he's doing on a European road. So the rule is in European countries, if you're learning how to drive or want to become a driver, want to get your driving license, you have to either book it by the company to show you how to drive, or you can either buy a car and buy L for yourself, so someone could help you and teach you how to drive basically. And this is the L that I should show you. As you can see, this L means learning. This driver is new and is learning. So this is Faraidun's car. So we're going on driving with him to see how he's doing and to see how he's driving basically. And yeah, and that's how it is, and let's see how it goes. Stay tuned for that. Here is Faraidun in his little Clio, red Clio, trying to do some garage parking here. So let's see how he does. Supposed to be bringing the car between these four cones over here, but let's see how he does it. I'm not going to say anything, let him. I'm wondering if that inspector, if he's checking him up, will pass him if he's driving like this, you know. And look at that. It's tight over there. Look at that. He failed it. He put it over that corner over there. You see, it's failed. Just some silly mistakes. Wow. Wow. Look at that space that he's got over there. A very tight, narrow space over there, I believe. Look at that. So, oh, let's see how he does it with his parallel parking. With the garage parking, is not going very well today. Let me stand on the side of it just in case he's a new driver. Health and safety is very important. Okay, that is a parking practice, and see how he's doing with his parking over there. So let's go and see how he's doing on the road. Let's see his road driving, how is his road driving is. If his road driving is like this, would be a disaster then for today. Okay.
Ersten und gleich in den zweiten. jetzt gleich schon in die zweite. Weiter. Und in die dritte. Dann bleibst du in der dritten. Nein, das ist kein Problem. So geht schon wieder weiter. Aus der ersten und dann gleich durchschalten. Ja, das ist wieder ab. Das ist auch wichtig, weil sie sich was. Aber du kannst fahren. Fahr. Ja, du hast aber, ich habe gespürt, du hast langsamer. Fahren. Aha, der macht den Verkehr. Zu langsam, das ist nicht. Beschleuniger 50. Ja, gut. Das ist eine kurvenreiche Strecke. Jetzt siehst du zum Beispiel rechts, ja, dann fährst du schon besser langsamer. Hat viele Kurven.
A small river flowing by. As I walk on top of the bridge, there's a little small footpath. So it's going over there. There's another side of the river is. So let me go a little bit of. There's a footpath over here. Let me go on this footpath and a bench over here. We're taking a short break from driving. And that's how it is. Look at the river. A very nice place to come and relax for a little bit. There's a bench over here. Let me sit down. This is the Faraidon. So over here, enjoying himself.
Weiter. Ich habe die Bremse und jetzt lassen. Langsam loslassen. Das ist genug Kraft. Das Bremschen ist. Super machst du das. Kannst du rechts, da nach der Mitte kannst du rechts hineinfahren, da parkst du. Parallel zur Straße.
Okay, after an hour and a half driving, we arrived at not on top of the mountain, almost on top of the mountain. This is Faraidon's car and that is L, as you can see. This is the car with the L. So let's go a little bit further up ahead. And here is a museum with some stories behind it too. So let me bring some stories about this museum, see what this museum is like and why this has turned into a museum, this place is. This museum is called the Persian Museum, as you can see over here. This place, a Persian Museum, which is written in two languages. One of them is a Slovenian and one of them is a German. So that's how it is. And let me tell you the story of this place. Neo-Nazi came in this place and they massacred the whole family. And in this place, only 3 children have survived. And the 3 of them apparently, the last person to die was in 2012 around here. And after that, 2012, this place turned into a museum. And what happened in this region is a lot of massacre happened in these mountains, as you can see. And there's some other stuffs going on around here. Let me show you. Let's see what's going on around here. Is inside the rooms, as you can see. There's the books over there. Probably you can do some signings or so. This is how it looks. As you can see over there, some photos of the back in during the wars, and they've probably been taken. This is the house and turned into a museum. This house is on top of the mountain in near Slovenian border and it's everywhere you go. There's written in two languages. One is the Slovenian and the other one is German. So this is how it goes around here. As you can see on this board that explains that how many people is died in this house alone, how many people has been massacred during the neo-Nazi. The war was on 1945, not on 1942. So that's how it goes. The name of those people that has died in here. And these are some of their ages, as you can see. One of them was 38, 4-year-olds, and 9-year-olds, 3-year-olds, 44-year-olds over here, as you can see. A lot of these people. And there's a monument of, as you can see behind me, there's a woman and a man with some rifles and axe on their hands, as you can see. These are the people, the remembrance of those people who fought against the neo-Nazi in this region, as you can see. And this is how it goes, the story of this place. There's a lot of them written in German, so basically a little bit hard for me to explain, but nonetheless. And this is what happens around here. Let me go and see what else is around here. You can see there is someone is coming in to do the gardenings and so, as you can see. Over here there's some tomato plants around here. This is the gardens, the grass, and as you can see someone is coming in and looking after this place basically. This is one of them, this is our lot, so that's how it is. There's also a honeybee farm in here, as you can see around here. This is how it looks. Wow, look at that. There's a lot of should we say cabins, what is it called? I don't really have any ideas. So that's how it looks. Let me go. There's a house over here and see what's inside these houses. This is the door. It's around here. Let me see if it's open. It's locked. So there's some more. Wow. Wow. That fence is electric. Do not touch that fence. Wow. Give me an electric shock from that fence, you know. Oh God. Ooh. This is how it looks basically around here. And this is the beans, so they've been fenced up, electric fenced it up, so no one could come and touch it basically. And this is how it looks. Honeybees. This is how the honey is coming out of these places, and this is how it looks. Okay, this is the Faraidon's car over there. He's waiting for me.